Hello everyone, what is up? This is Putnam 2.0, and before we start this video, I kind of wanted to let you guys in on a little something. I haven't posted a video in like a week or so, and the reason is because recently I just had a seizure, and it's my first seizure ever. My mom has epilepsy, so it could have been passed down, but I've been trying to deal with these seizures. I've actually had 2 so far, and earlier today, actually, in the morning, I almost had a seizure. Like, I was like all like tripping out, but my mom didn't see me shake, so we're thinking I didn't have one, but it could have been a seizure. But yeah, I've had like 2 seizures, and I've been trying to deal with that, and I have to go to the doctor in like a month so they can put the wires all in my head and check me out. They took my blood and my urine, and they didn't find anything, and we did a CAT scan, and there's no tumors or anything weird in my head, so that's good. But yeah, that's what I've been trying to deal with, and I do have 2 or 3 of my South Park videos already made up, and I've been kind of editing on them here and there. I've been trying to kind of stay off my laptop a little bit this week because of the whole seizure thing. I've been trying to take it a little easy. I guess that's where I am with that. I am gonna keep on making videos. I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna let this seizure thing get in the way of things. This is what I love to do, so yeah. I bought a new camera.
Most of the time when these people be talking, I don't even hear them. They talk and they talk, but I do not hear shit when I'm near them. I swear to God that I came.
Now, a while back, I started saving, and I finally got enough money a couple days ago, and I had my sister order it, and here it is. So we're gonna do a little unboxing video, and maybe towards the end, I'm gonna like do a little camera test, you know. Oh God, I'm so excited. This is great. I've been wanting a good camera like this forever. Like the one I'm using right now is really good, but after so long of recording, it overheats. And I really need a camera that can stay recording for long periods of time and is durable. Yeah, but this camera's been pretty good for me. It's the Sony A5100. I've used it for a couple weddings and different stuff like that in my videos, and it's been alright, but we're gonna be switching on to this nice bad boy. And yeah, let's begin the unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's do this. Alright, so I wasn't really too sure on how I was going to set up the camera, but I think this will work. Now, if you guys have watched some of my previous videos, you guys do know, like, when I buy something, I normally do an unboxing video. They're really fun. So yeah, this is the $1,500 camera unboxing. Well, actually it was $1,400, but oh well. Oh boy, here we go! Now, I bought the Canon 80D, and I bought the Video Creator Kit. Alright, so it's a box inside a box. Wow, it's got a nice box here. Canon EOS 80D Dare to Dream, and it comes with the Canon 80D, a 18-135mm lens, a power zoom adapter, and a Rode VideoMic Go. Now, I did hear some bad things about this microphone, but for the meantime, it's going to be a decent microphone to use. I'll probably save up and get a better microphone for it eventually. And it comes with a 32 gig memory card. Now, I do want to get like a 256 gig memory card, but I think I'm going to have to buy a few more of the 32 gigs for like when I do weddings. My sister doesn't want me to put all my footage on one memory card like that, because you never know if the memory card could like break, or you know, it's good to have little backups. Alright, what is this? It's a box inside a box! Alright, let's see. Okay, here's the microphone and the SD card. Wow, that's cool. See it right there? Then this is our power zoom adapter. It just allows me to be able to zoom a little better. It allows me to like zoom smoother. I don't really know a whole lot about it, but here we go. The Canon EOS 80D. Now, a lot of YouTubers use the Canon 70D, and that's what I was originally gonna get, but I saw that they had the 80D out, and I just thought, you know, let's get the better one. I mean, it's probably not any better. It's probably basically the same as the 70D, but I did read on here that this has better autofocus, and I thought that was pretty cool. So here we go, Canon 80D. Holy crap, got some like books here. Some big ones. There's some paperwork right when you open the box. Ooh, nice. Okay, so we got a battery charger, battery, the Canon EOS 80D strap. This is the lens that comes with it. Ooh, that's nice. Alright, and the bad boy that we've been waiting for forever. The Canon 80D. Ooh, they got a dryer sheet on this thing? Jeez. Let's check her out. Ooh. Dude, this is awesome. Oh, sweet. See, now we can do some vlogs, boys. Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be hanging out with my friend Aaron. We're gonna be playing some games or something. Dude, this is awesome. It's a lot lighter than I thought, but man, this is pretty sweet. EOS 80D. Wow. Alright, well, this was the unboxing video. I'm gonna set everything up, I'm gonna hook it all up together, and then we're gonna be taking a look at it. And there you go, the Canon 80D. This is the video creator kit. This is gonna be awesome. It's actually Friday today, and I'm gonna go with my family to go eat some fish fry. We're gonna go and get some fish. I will do a camera test once I get it all set up and the battery charged and stuff. Like in a few, like in a second. Like I'm gonna snap my fingers. We're gonna do the camera test. But like right now, I'm gonna go and eat some fish fry with my mom and dad and check out the camera some. This is pretty sweet. Never had nothing this nice. So yeah, this is really cool. Whew, it took long enough. I had to like save forever. But yeah, we're gonna be doing a camera test, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let's check out the camera, guys. All right, so we're here with the new camera, the Canon 80D. Doesn't this thing look awesome? I'm looking in the viewfinder. I'm actually gonna go down to the river. Hopefully I don't have a seizure on the way. Ugh, God, that would suck. I gotta quit making jokes about it. It's not funny. Cause you can like die if you, like, there's people that have died from seizures. So it's a really scary thing. Yes, you can get medicine to treat it and so that it doesn't happen as often. God, I don't even want to talk about it. Let's not worry about it. We're gonna be walking down to the river. I'm gonna get some video clips down there. This is our like camera test. It's a really nice camera. I'm not too sure about the microphone yet. We're gonna find out once I put the footage onto my computer, but yeah, this is awesome. Alright, so we made it to the river. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video so far. I'm gonna get some video clips. The camera's looking pretty nice. So let's go see what we can find. there's been people here. I really don't like being down here alone when there's like no one around, because you just never know what could pop up you know, you never know what could come at you. This is like some freaky, like this is like a death. It's like walk through the woods in the valley of death. I know this sounds dumb, but I feel like someone is watching me. I feel like I'm gonna get killed out here. Especially if there's like a bear. I'm done. That thing's definitely gonna chase at me. Yeah, I do not have a vehicle because, well, I have my truck, but I cannot drive for 6 months just because I had a seizure. They don't want me driving, having a seizure, and running off the road or running off and hitting someone. So I cannot drive for 6 months. So I'm stuck walking, riding my bike just a little bit. I don't want to have a seizure while I'm riding a bike, but I'm basically just stuck walking, and I cannot drive my truck for half a year. It really does suck. But yeah, that's creepy. I do not like going back in those woods, to be honest, because you just feel like someone's watching you, you know? There's literally no one here. So if something were to happen to me, I'd be out there for a while. And I would not want that to happen. But yeah, this camera is a lot nicer than the Sony a5100 that I was using. That camera was only $500. It's a really good camera. It can take really good photos, and it does do a halfway decent job for the video. But just the problem it has overheating, I just can't handle it. I'm a lot more happy with this camera, and it's got really good quality. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was just my little camera test. I was just running around down here by the river. I actually live like across the street down this little path. And yeah, this is really cool. Now, eventually I am gonna try to upgrade the microphone, because I was reading like the reviews and stuff of this microphone that comes with this little package, and it's not that good. I haven't looked back at the footage yet to see how bad it is. I mean, it can't be that bad. It's just an $80 mic, and it is nice that it came with it, and it's just something to get me started, you know. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like down below, leave a comment, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Got my new camera. I'm going to try to make more videos, and like I said, I am struggling with my seizures and stuff. I've only had 2 so far. Like, I almost had a seizure this morning, so I guess you could say around 3 seizures so far, and it really does suck. I can't drive my truck around anymore for 6 months. Like, say if I got all the way up to 5 months seizure free, and then all of a sudden I have a seizure, that time restarts and I have to wait another 6 months. I think I'm gonna end the video here. This camera is so heavy. I did bring this tripod, but it's not a JP GorillaPod. It's actually just a cheap, flexible tripod that I got from Walmart. So, yeah. Well, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!
Models popping bottles.